The ammonium nitrate blast, the differentiations in creeds and caste, floods, cyclones, and forest fires are at a rise. The rate of death due to corona is high. There is an increasing rate of depression and suicide. Some say you gotta move on, that's life. I want to ask, move on? Why? Why do you want to ignore the problems that lie? They are not yours, I understand, but neither are they mine, and yet I say, let's wake up and let's try. Because someday soon we too are in line. Now we are protected in our houses with everything we need, but there are people out there living our haunting dreams. So I say, let's wake up and let's try. Try to make the place around you easier to survive. Reach out to people in need, you may help alive. Be empathetic, be selfless, get rid of that pride. Spread peace, spread happiness, and start being kind. Little kindness and empathy can make someone smile. We all are a part of this world, and it's high time that we stop being selfish and focus on the bigger picture. A picture that is sadly about to rupture. And so it needs fixing as it does not look great. Spread love, there is enough hate. And have the faith that we can take it to a better state. Let's all do our part and show some support and compassion. Find a solution to the increasing corruption. Concentrate on reduction of levels of pollution and depression. Let's show some affection and help out people in bad situations. Call it a change or call it a revolution for you, for me, for us, and the whole nation. So that when the future generation arrives, they learn that we did our part and now it's their time. Let's set an example that we can always win if we strive. But that can only happen when we all wake up and try. So open your eyes, wake up and try, and fill the bigger picture with smiles.